Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to increase hyaluronic acid in your body. Start by prioritizing water, collagen-rich foods, and gentle face care to protect moisture. Include vitamin C and magnesium sources to support synthesis while minimizing sun damage and smoking. Aim for balanced meals with bone broth, leafy greens, and soy products, and consider topical hyaluronic acid for immediate hydration. Be consistent and patient for best results. Focus on simple dietary shifts to help hyaluronic acid levels. Add bone broth, chicken, and soy into meals while keeping vitamin C sources like citrus and bell peppers nearby. A quality hyaluronic acid supplement can complement dietary changes, and collagen peptides may provide building blocks. Check magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens. Keep dosages reasonable and consult a healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Hydration and habits matter for hyaluronic acid balance. Drink water consistently and combine it with electrolytes if needed to support tissue hydration. Apply topical hyaluronic acid serums to damp skin to lock in moisture and layer with gentle moisturizers. Wear sunscreen daily and avoid smoking to prevent degradation. Prioritize sleep and stress reduction to support overall skin and joint health for long-term benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.